Hello viewers, I am ABDULL7H from 777 Smile channel. Today I would like to show you how to convert Microsoft Excel database file to JPG or JPEG and PNG format. I tell you again, today I will teach you how to convert Excel file to JPG and PNG format. By the way, if you like our video, please share to your friends and family to learn this tutorial, and please don't forget to like our video and subscribe the 777 smile symbol channel to get more tips, more view and more comments. Okay, let's start to convert Excel file to a JPEG or PNG format. First, we go to the Windows Start menu. You can see Start and press it, then menu will pop up. After we will go to All Programs and press the Microsoft Office. We will select Microsoft Office Excel. This is a Microsoft Excel sheet. You can see there. You will start typing here your desired database in Excel. For example, for time short, I already open and type the database to Excel. You can see this is the Excel file. I put the database, and this is the long file, you can see. So I will convert this file to the JPG and PNG format. So first of all, I will go to select the Excel file with mouse pad key. I start already, you can see, and go to down to my file. This is my file. I select already, you can see. Now you will go to the home menu and press copy button. I press copy button. It is already copied. Then you can minimize the Excel file from the minimize button. I minimize it already. Now we will go to the again Start Windows Start menu. Select the Paint. We will show you the easy way to convert Excel file to JPG. Already Paint application is opened, Windows. Now we will go to the paste, and you see the paste. We will go to the paste. Now we will press the paste. You can see in the mouse I paste button. Look, it's already come in the Excel to Paint picture. I will scroll down. You can see. So there is one option is, you see the crop button. If you press the crop button, the white stuff will remove from your hair. So I show you. Please check. I press the crops button. If you crop, then white extra space will remove from your Paint application. Normally it should be removed. By the way, you can minimize with this option if it does not work properly, and go and you can minimize from here also. check, I minimize the white space with crops or the 2 arrow. Now you go to the paint option. You can see mouse paint. You can press the paint and press the save as. And which format you want to save, you can save. I told you today we will teach you JPG format you can save, and also PNG picture you can save it. So for example, I choose JPG pack. So you can convert both of version, JPG and PNG. So I press JPG. Then it shows the where you like to do to save it. So you can press desktop. So any or other option you can choose your file. For choose desktop and give the file name. I give the file name sunset plus, and it will save in desktop. Then you can press save button. Then you minimize the or shut down the paint application windows. Now you can find it sunset. There is many file, so I will press the sunset. You see, I will give the file name sunset. So please double click these images. See, the Excel file convert to the JPG, and the file name is, I gave you, you can see file name is showing here sunset 7 plus. So it's come to Excel file to the JPEG format. So please, I hope that my tutorial give you correct way how to convert Excel file to JPEG format and PNG format. Okay viewers, I already show you how to convert Excel file to JPG format. Now I will show you Excel file to PNG format. Process is the same, but you have to choose the option. Now I go to the start menu and open the Excel file. For example, this is my Excel file, and I start to select. I already select, then I press the button copy. You see the copy button, and I minimize the Excel file and go to your Windows Start menu and open the Windows Paint application. This is the Paint application. Now I press the button paste. I press the paste button. It is copy already from Excel to Paint application. Now you see the very white space on the right side bottom, and I want to delete or remove of this white space. Then you can press the option crop. You see the when you press the option the crop, white space has gone away. So now I will go to save it. So go to the paint option, save as, and choose the option PNG picture. Then where you like to save it. Before I save it desktop, now I will choose the option desktop, and the file name I will give now different file name, sun rises 7 plus, and format PNG. save it, and I shut down the Paint application. Now I go to the desktop and find out you see the sunset and sunrise. I save the PNG. This is the PNG format. You see the PNG, and this is the JPG format. So open the PNG and double click. This is the picture, and you see the PNG format file open. So thank you viewers. If you like our tutorial, please share this video to everyone and give your subscribers. I hope you enjoy our video how to convert Excel file to JPEG or PNG format. I tell you, I try to teach you how to convert Excel database file to JPG, PEG or PNG format. Thanks.